And I-oop, decoding slang for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the playful and sometimes puzzling world of English slang. Our phrase in the spotlight is, "and I-oop." Whether you've stumbled upon it in a viral meme or heard it in a casual conversation, you'll soon understand what it means and how to use it. So, let's unravel this expression together. And I-oop comes from a viral video featuring drag queen Jasmine Masters, who accidentally hit herself during a rant and exclaimed the phrase. It quickly became a meme and is used to express a surprise interruption or an unexpected error. The phrase is used in two main contexts. 1. When someone says something surprising or makes a revelation that disrupts the conversation. 2. When someone makes a mistake or experiences a minor accident, often used to lighten the mood. It's a playful expression that's great for a quick laugh or to show that you're in tune with internet culture. You can use "and I-oop" after someone shares surprising news. "And I-oop, I wasn't expecting that." When you make a small mistake. "I just spilled my coffee." "And I-oop." Remember, it's informal, so it's best used in casual settings or among friends. And I-oop is more than just a phrase, it's a part of internet culture. It reflects how language evolves with technology and social media. By understanding such phrases, you're not just learning English, you're becoming part of a global community. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of "and I-oop." It's a fun example of English's ever-changing nature and the influence of pop culture on language. Keep your ears open for more slang and everyday English expressions, and you'll be sounding like a native in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.